Hello, I'm the One Owner, and welcome to Satisfactory. Now, this is going to be a slightly different video. I'm just going to do some talking right now at the start, and I'm just going to show off where I'm at and basically what I'm planning for this, because it's a very big build. So I just wanted to do a little explanation. Then there's my water power plant, where I'm getting a lot of my electricity from, which I'm using to create the resources for this. And right, I'm working on monorails, so yeah, the plan is to have trains. So let's just take a look at where I'm at right now, what I've built between videos. So I've built up in the middle, and I've built out to the edges, and a new circle that is slightly smaller than the circle below. And yeah, that's going to be the upper plate, basically. Hopefully it's going to be really cool. And I'm going to try to finish this video by building it. Just filling it in, essentially. It's going to be really cool. From up here, it doesn't look great, but we'll jump down. As you can see, I've built this here because I need somewhere to bring my oil in. Because I'm planning on building oil and stuff down here. So as you can see, now you can kind of more see the scale of it now that we're down here. As you can see, I built a path there, but it didn't line up with the plate, and I don't really know how to fix that. So instead, I might be going into the middle and doing more like a highway for all the oil to come through. And then the plan is, it's actually really funny that they're actually flying beneath the upper plate. It's kind of fun. Anyways, so yeah, so the idea is just to bring in oil and resources here, and the oil and stuff I'll be using pipelines, but with the other resources I will be using trains, and the idea is to make a train that goes all the way up to the upper plate and down again, so we can just use that as transport. And this is a refinery, pretty big building. It looks very small in comparison to the rest of this. So yeah, I have a hole over there that makes me able to go up and down whenever I want. It's a lot more smoother than, you know, finding an area around it. So in the middle we have the anchor, which is where we send up a lot of resources. So this is not going to be like exactly one-to-one replica of Midgar. It's going to be more like a Satisfactory version of it, which is going to be cool, I hope. So basically a lot of the basic refining and such will be done on the lower level. And up here we'll be making some of the more complex resources, hopefully. We'll see. I haven't really gotten to planning that yet. We have a lot of space. And here we have some concrete. We have 2 whole storage containers of that. We have 2 whole storage containers of iron plates. The idea is to use that to finish off the thing. And of course here in the middle we're going to build a huge sort of thing in the middle with a view, so we can see the entirety of this Midgar version, so to speak, from there. It's going to be real cool. And of course, Midgar in Final Fantasy IX has 9, I think, Mako reactors. I'm not going to be able to make 9, but my idea is to make 8 fuel generators and pump up oil to them, like, no, not oil, but fuel to them from below. So I'm gonna spread them out around, so it's gonna be sort of like in the original. And that's basically just what I'm planning for now. I'm building out there because there is oil on that side as well. So what I might do is I might make 2 pipelines, one from the left, one from the right, and they'll converge in the middle. And, you know, just go in here and I'll make some industrial fluid buffers. It seems to me that that's the most efficient way to do it. Using trains could work, but it's also kind of because it doesn't really like take that much oil every time that you move it. So hopefully this will be better. We'll see what happens, really. Like I said, I had built like a whole building over there and stuff like that. I was gonna show it off, but I had to dismantle it because, like I said, it wasn't lined up properly with the plates, so it would look weird. So again, the idea is to build out here to the side, and of course this tower, I'm gonna demolish it once we're done building the entirety of Midgar, but for now it's just a really good vantage point to use while recording and to get a good look over the town. Well, not town, but the building, especially for when it's done. So we'll be looking at it from above, from there. And I'm using this to build stuff. So we'll just start going up here. And I think at about this point is when we will start finishing the plate. I think so far it is looking really cool. We get a little bit of autosave lag. There's probably going to be that in the thing. So last time I did this... Oh, we don't have enough. Last time I did this, I sped it up quite a bit. I sped up 50 minutes, about 50 minutes of footage into 9 minutes. But it still felt a bit slow. So this time I'll probably try to speed it up a bit more, so it doesn't feel as slow. Granted, though, this plate is not as big, and well, we'll see. We'll see. I'm just gonna go up here. I do like that we're fairly close to that, because that's always just been like super high up. I haven't really built like a base like this before, so I hope this is really cool. Oh, I hope people are appreciating it. I think it says, "Oh man, that's so cool." I would, I would if I saw someone else building this. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. And like I said, I'll have to reconfigure that whole oil situation. We'll see. I'll get around to it at some point. That's one of those huge flyers right there, and it's flying underneath the upper plate. That's really cool. Right. So yeah. Let's build. And there you have it. Fully built. Let's take a look at it now, close by. We don't have much fuel, but I think we can make it. There we go. This is a pretty big plate. It's pretty cool. Then you look down and see the bigger plate underneath. I'm pretty happy with it so far, to be honest. Not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. It is huge. We're not gonna run around the whole thing. But, I mean, we could run to the middle and jump up there. Just to... Actually, how much resources do I have on me? I do have enough, I think. What we could do is we could just, like... to get a better view. Granted, maybe I should have been in the middle. Yeah, this is just kind of wasting all my... Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty big. And now, to get a better view of how big this actually is, let's take a look downstairs. Let's take a look downstairs. Yeah, this is pretty huge, not gonna lie. I have never built anything of this scale before, but it's turning out pretty cool. I was thinking what I could do is, since I'd made these flat up there, because I figured it could be nice to build like, granted I don't know how that would, if that works, but it could be nice to build like this. Oh, it's on vertical for some reason. Soup. Like that, and we could build stuff like, you know, conveyor belts, etc., etc., underneath the plate, but not on this plate. So I'm thinking maybe what we'll do is we could, I don't know if you can make these upside down. I don't think you can. Maybe you can buy those. I don't know. Maybe we can build something to make those look a bit better. Who knows? It would be pretty cool. So far, like I said, I think it's looking pretty awesome. Not gonna lie. I mean, it's not gonna be like... It's not gonna look exactly like the original, for sure. Because, I mean, we just don't have the scale to build that much. Oh, right, we can't walk around here. But, I mean, it's still pretty cool. I am liking it so far. It's really getting there. Freaking autosave. Autosave is lagging because of how big this building is. Maybe we could climb up there and jump up. That could work. Just gonna... There we go. We might just put one of these. Like so. Oh crap, I don't have any gas. We made it though. It's looking cool. It's looking cool. So this is going to be like the headquarters, the quote-unquote Shinra headquarters, except the Slifer headquarters. I'm going to try to put up some... I haven't researched it yet, but... well, bought it in the store. Oh, crap, I don't have any... I forgot. I forgot I don't have any gas. I'm going to use, like... what are they called? Glass floors to make the floors up there to, like, have like a real good vantage point so you can see everything. And I'm gonna build some whatchamacallem, billboards like here, maybe one on each side, perhaps. We'll see. They cost a lot of resources and I haven't bought them yet from the store. I built this just so I could get down. I think I mentioned it earlier, but I also wanted to just explain that that's why this is here. It's not supposed to be here later. I might make some kind of hypertube that goes down below and just use, but I mean the idea is to use trains. to move around here. We'll see. It's pretty high up. I might be able to build like a train station underneath. That could be kind of cool. Like we could build it out there perhaps, and it could be where we get all the resources. I'm not going to be able to make the train tracks look particularly good then, because this is literally outside of the world. So we can't build like scaffolding or anything to make it look cool. But yeah, that is the idea. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And we'll see. Like I said, I have no idea if I'm actually going to finish this project. It is so huge. I'm probably going to keep going and make some more stuff. We're for sure going to get the oil in here, but then after that, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. It would be a kind of a shame to build all of this and just abandon it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. That's the good thing. We can just keep the save, and if I ever feel like if I get bored with it, I can just keep the save, and then maybe one day just get back to it. We'll see. But for now, the idea is to keep building. We'll see how long it takes before I can make another video. It is a huge project, and not only that, but I have to do all the milestones as well to get all the good stuff. I have finished, like, basically built everything previously, so I know what we get access to later on and such. Also, I'm gonna have to back up the save because they're gonna move it to Unreal Engine 5 or whatever. Hopefully that doesn't brick this save file. That would suck so bad. But yeah, for now, like I said, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. It's been pretty cool. For now, bye!